Hi, welcome to another episode of Hot Takes. There's an unspoken problem, a crisis even, in Scottish education, and that is mental health. Since 2018, 1.3 million school days have been lost by staff taking time off because of stress and other mental health related issues. It basically means every single day there are 1,500 people not attending work across Scotland in the education system because they just cannot handle either the workload or the working conditions or the staff pressures of being in the Scottish education system. Over 1,500 people a day. It's no wonder Scotland's education system is failing. It's a level of stress and mental health issues that cannot be sustained. Something must be done. A lot of it is due to overwork, too many hours, not enough teachers, too many pupils, and some of it is down to the fact that discipline in Scottish schools is out of control because head teachers cannot enforce discipline. They cannot do anything because all the powers have been removed to Holyrood and they're not allowed to exercise these powers and decisions at a local level. And so this problem is insolvable, certainly until you hand back authority to local education authorities and to head teachers within each school. Head teachers must be able to discipline, and that includes throwing the children out of the school, saying you're no longer going to be educated here. Write a letter to the parents, say, sort your child out. They've been, thrown out of this school. If you want them to get an education, perhaps you should start raising them better. And that, of course, is what's going to have to happen. Otherwise, there will be no schools in Scotland because teachers just aren't going and joining them. They don't want to work in a Scottish school. Those that have the option are retiring early, and those that face abuse in the classroom and then that abuse is not addressed are just leaving. And who can blame them? And when there's no teachers, there's no schools, and that's the end of that. And that's what happens. 17 years of failed SNP, centralisation, monolithic structures. We have all the power. We don't want to share power. Nobody below us must have power. And then you get Jenny Gilruth running education. Hasn't got a clue. Claims she used to be a teacher. Couldn't have been much of one. And what drove her out of the classroom? Was it stress? Who knows? But it's your children, your grandchildren. They're the ones that are going to suffer. So what are you going to do about it? Perhaps not voting SNP would be a start. Thanks a lot. Bye.